It's a dark and moody berry drink, and it's delicious. A glass of Black Dahlia is all you need for a taste of Halloween. We welcome in food guest, recipe creator, and friend, Amy Richardson. So good to see you, friend.
Good to see you, too.
It's so nice to have a friend in studio to lean on and just say, thanks for being here. Oh. So fun. I am not surprised at the beauty level of this. Tell me about the Black Dahlia.
Okay, so I thought it would be kind of fun to have some kind of spooky black drink, and I'm calling it the Black Dahlia just because that sounds so Halloween and spooky.
It's posh, too.
It is, but it's actually a really relatively simple drink, but there's a few key ingredients that make it unique.
What do we need?
Okay, so I'm into the Monin syrups right now. I know we love the Tarani.
Okay, yeah, I've only heard of the Tarani.
Right, but the Monin, they're French, but you can still get them just like at the regular places usually carry them, the restaurant place that's down on like 13th. But I love their flavors because they taste more like real fruit. So it's kind of fun. You can use pomegranate is really beautiful, and strawberry or raspberry. So whatever you can find.
Are we mixing them together?
Yes, so we're just gonna go ahead and make it.
Let's do it.
I think it'll be fun.
I'm not gonna tell you no.
Yeah, so it's really simple. For a party punch, it's just a bottle of each.
Okay, and then what was your base here with the ice?
That is just club soda and ice.
Oh, club soda, okay.
Yep, so you're gonna do a bottle of each.
Because these probably have enough sugar in them that we probably don't need like a Sprite or things like that.
Right, you don't need any sugar in it. You just basically need just the syrups and you're good. The secret thing to making this really unique is tea. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take raspberry. I love the raspberry hibiscus, which is made by Stash, but any raspberry tea is good. You're gonna wanna just do a cup of water with 4 tea bags.
And how long are we letting that soak?
You can just do it till it's cool if you want to.
Okay.
And it gives it the most beautiful,
look at that
delicious
color, Amy.
flavor. Now, if you want to go totally black, you can use food coloring. If you want to do black. This has black in it, but this color is gorgeous just on its own.
Yeah, this is so Halloween. This is like that spooky,
kind of
almost
spooky,
but
purpley,
it's so
black.
chic. And this gorgeous vessel that you have in, that makes a big difference in display as well.
I think if you can kind of show it off, it's fun. And then I found these, now they taste just kind of more like a maraschino cherry, but it's called a Bordeaux cherry.
Oh, it's so fancy.
A black
Bordeaux.
Bordeaux. It's a black cherry. They come with stems on them, and they're just gorgeous.
And
I
look
think
at the
a fun
finish
thing.
on that.
And I just kind of put that through a rose stem, but of course toothpick or whatever would work too. But kind of something fun and spooky. Serve it in fun glasses. I've got these fun little, I think they're a brandy glass, but I loved the shape of them, which was perfect for putting it under the spigot.
Yes.
So if you're kind of trying to do a punch like that, just choose a good glass that's a good size.
And in Amy fashion, we have the gorgeous tag here with the ribbon, just adding that extra.
Well, I kind of thought it might be kind of fun to do a spooky botanical. So that's kind of what this is.
Of course you did. A spooky botanical. Okay, now I'm ready. Spooky botanical. So we have our drink. Let's pair the drink with something. Tell me what you've got going here.
So this is kind of like maybe a Black Dahlia dinner. Who knows?
Black Dahlia dinner.
But I thought it might be kind of fun, something different to do, build your own soup.
Okay, so everyone can build their own soup.
Yes, because then this is what food equals love. And when people have choice, it makes them feel special. I
love this. Tell me more.
So I went ahead and roasted up a bunch of harvest vegetables. So there's like with the purples, which I thought was so fun. The purple potatoes, the purple carrots, shaved Brussels sprouts, the different colors of cauliflower, sweet potatoes, asparagus. And then you can add in whatever you wanted. This is what I liked, but I've got like a apple chicken sausage. This is a mixture that you can buy in most grocery stores. It's for soups, but it's got sweet potatoes and yams and onions.
So if you have someone that has like a dairy allergy, if someone has something, this is a good way for them to be able to.
This is the way you can do it. And I actually have another recipe too for a soup that's a pumpkin sage soup, which works really great as a base. But this soup is super yummy and it's super easy. And what you do is you just take, I'm crashing things around here. You're gonna take sour cream, and you're gonna whisk your sour cream. So you heat up your chicken stock. That's 6 cups.
6 cups.
And you're gonna put your flour into your sour cream and your milk. And you're just gonna make it so you whisk it up so it's really smooth.
Okay.
And you know how
Is
usually...
this like a thickener to the
yeah,
soup?
and you know how, and it's also kind of like makes it into a cream soup.
Okay.
So you know how when you're trying to make soup from homemade, you make a roux, which is like a flour and
I've
butter.
heard of a roux.
Yeah, and it's like nobody ever does it because you're like, I can't make homemade soup, that's too complicated.
But here we are.
But this takes the complication out of it. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna whisk this until it's totally smooth. You're gonna add in, you know, salt and pepper at this point, and we can use rosemary or any kind of a herb you want to. Okay, so it's boiling. You bring this to a boil, and then you just slowly add this in while whisking, and it'll thicken your soup up in just like 2 minutes. It's the fastest, easiest soup, and it just is delicious. The flavor, because of the sour cream, makes this soup out of this world.
Listen, the Black Dahlia, the soup roasting station, you're ready for your Black Dahlia party.
Yes.
And there's no one else I'd rather be getting ready for a party with than you, Amy. Thank you. We'll have the recipe for the Black Dahlia on our website, and the soup.
The soups, all of it is going to be on my website as well. But follow me on Instagram. It's Amy Parker Richardson.
The best. Thank you, Amy. So fun to have you in studio. So yummy. I am going to do this. I'm going to do this.